Assalamualaikum. I hope everybody is fine and taking good care of themselves. Well, today I received a yummy PR package by D Bakers. They do online business and they deal in all kinds of confectionaries, cakes, cupcakes, and other bakery items. So this cake which they have sent me is this chocolate heaven cake. It looks really yummy and fresh, and they have sent me 2 cupcakes which are the lava cakes, and oops, where are they? There's nothing inside. Well, don't worry, they're in the microwave and I wanted to eat them yummy warm. Okay, here is the lava cake and let's see. It's hot and the chocolate sauce is not that hot to come outside, but still it looks really yum and it tastes yum too. I've had one, this is the second one. It's super good and it's so fresh. Thank you so much. Okay, just sharing here that we had a yummy lunch at our school. The display of things set up with so much love and care. Just sharing with all of my subscribers that how we thoroughly enjoyed this lunch at school.